I know this upload is late. I have been extremely sick, just to the point where I can't talk and I can't breathe, and I've been coughing up stuff. Ugh, it's just been terrible. I'm still working on getting my voice completely back, but and this upload is late because of being sick. I haven't really been to the gym, and so I went yesterday, but I realized that it was too soon. I still just like felt like crap, and I really couldn't breathe while working out. So I decided to skip today at the gym again. So yeah, I've just been kind of taking it easy. And so I've learned when I am sick, I don't eat very well. I definitely don't eat well when I'm sick. So, but in this time where I'm trying to really stick and try to, you know, commit myself to a 6-week bikini shred, I tried to very much eat healthy and continue to, you know, since I couldn't work out, I wanted to eat as healthy as possible. I have some recipes I'm gonna include in this video. And then I am going to do a home workout. So check this video out. I'm just gonna include the couple recipes. This is stuff I've been sticking to all week. What? Oh my gosh, look at this cat. Yeah. So I've been sticking to 2 things, which is overnight oatmeal and my grilled chicken, my meal prep that I'm gonna include in this video. I meal prep for 3 days at a time. That's all I can meal prep because I really can't eat the same thing 5 days in a row. I can do 3 days. 3 days is my max. So I included those 2 clips, 2 recipes that I did there, and then I'm gonna include a home workout for this video as well. Anyway, let's get into the video. Please enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, anything is great. I love you all. Okay, hi guys. So I figured I would do a voiceover for this next meal I have. Here I'm showing you all the ingredients I use, but I will leave a full list of ingredients in the description box below on this video. But first, here I take a whole banana. At first you're just going to cut it in half and only use half of it at first. And go ahead and mash that in a bowl with a fork. Make sure it's a ripe banana. You're going to take a half a cup of rolled oatmeal. So this is not regular oats or minute oats. This is rolled oats. And you're going to go ahead and put that in a jar. So this is banana bread overnight oatmeal in a jar. So you're going to go ahead and put that in a mason jar. And then you're going to take a half a cup of Greek yogurt, vanilla, and you're going to just pour it right on top of the rolled oatmeal. And then you're going to take a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 full teaspoon of the maple syrup and mix it in with the banana there. And then also I took 2 tablespoons of ground flax seed and mixed it up as well. And then a full tablespoon of vanilla extract, and you're going to set that aside. No, you're not. You're going to pour it on top of the Greek yogurt and rolled oatmeal. Why do I have such a hard time saying that? Ugh. Okay, and then you're going to chop up some walnuts, as many as you want, because I didn't go by the recipe, which was like 2 walnuts or something like that. I actually think I put too much, but anyway, chop up that last banana and put it on top. And then also, I did not show this. I went back because I forgot it. You also need a 1/4 of a cup of a milk of your choice. I used almond milk there. And then you're going to shake it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then you will have your rolled oatmeal in the morning. So perfect breakfast for you. Anyway, that concludes the second recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope to get better at this because right now I feel like I suck. Hi guys! So I am just starting here with some glute activation exercises. I just grabbed my heavy band, resistance band, and I'm just doing squats here. And as you can see, when I come up from my squat, I squeeze my glutes. That is what you want to do. That is where you're going to see the most results in muscle building in your glute area, is to squeeze the ugly butt when you come up to the top of your squat. Here I'm just doing some resistance band kickbacks. You can hold on to something, or if you have great balance, you don't have to hold on to anything. I don't have great balance, so as you can see, I'm holding on to our pergola there. So, and then I'm also doing side kicks. With the resistance band, I've learned that this really opens up the glutes and or opens up my hips, I should say. So here, then I am just using my resistance band, lying on the floor again, and pressing my knees out to the floor in a motion that opens up my hips a little bit more. The next exercise I'm doing here are hip thrusts with the resistance band. I am putting the resistance band on and then pressing my pelvis up to the sky and squeezing my butt as I come up in that motion. And then here's LJ. Oh, she's so cute. Trying to exercise like mommy. Alright, so now I'm doing some squats and then kind of to a deadlift motion. I am using a 10-pound weight plate to do this. This is one of my favorite kind of exercises to do. It's like a 2-part exercise. And it's great for also a warm-up for a glute or leg day as well. Here I'm just using the resistance band to do some side kicks again, but instead I'm using the 10-pound weight plate to add a little bit more challenge to it. Alright, so here is a motion that I've just recently started doing. It is a lunge, but instead of your regular lunge, you're going to just kind of come up and hop, and it really challenges yourself. It definitely made me sore. It's something that I'm doing every time on my leg day now. And those were just regular lunges, and now this is a side lunge. And I'm using the motion, the hop motion at the end here as well. This killed my glutes. Killed! And it was amazing. So I definitely recommend you try these. I do 3 sets of 10 of everything we just went through there.
So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say,
so here I'm doing the overhead squat, just with a 10-pound weight plate above me. I'm squeezing my glutes as I'm coming up. This is good for balance and upper arm strength even, along with your squat as well. Now here I've taken my step up and the weight plate again, and now I'm just doing some I'm doing some lunges. So also lately I've really been using the mind to muscle technique. It's really actually helped me in my workouts lately. It's incredible. Next I'm using these slides, and I'm going to place my foot onto the slide and do a pulsating lunge with 2 10-pound weight plates. I'm going to do 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this leg day home workout in my backyard. I'm sorry about everything in the background that's going on in this video, but hopefully it was enjoyable. Hopefully you got something out of it. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everything that you guys do on my channel. I am so grateful for all the support that I have. I will see you in the next video.